Adding money to your Cash App account from a debit card is a simple and convenient way to fund your account. To begin, you're going to open the Cash App on your mobile device and tap on the balance or $ icon located at the top of the screen. This is going to bring you to your Cash App wallet where you can manage your funds. Next, you're going to tap on the Add Cash button, which will allow you to add funds to your Cash App account. You'll then be prompted to select the amount that you want to deposit from your debit card, either the desired amount and enter the desired amount and proceed to the next step. If you haven't linked your debit card to the Cash App yet, you're going to be asked to add it. So to do this, tap on the linked accounts section in the app and then choose Add Debit Card. You're going to need to enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Okay, now once your debit card is linked, select it as the funding source for the deposit. After confirming the details, tap Add to complete the transaction. The funds will be added to your Cash App balance, usually instantly. All right, so let me know if this helped.